case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2003, the Supreme Court of Kentucky heard the case of Beaty v. Commonwealth, which centered around the idea that courts cannot exclude evidence crucial to a defendant's defense, and juries must receive clear instructions to avoid double jeopardy. Roger Beaty had been convicted on drug-related charges and sentenced to 20 years imprisonment. He appealed his sentence, arguing that a witness's testimony had been wrongly admitted, and there was insufficient evidence to convict him of knowingly manufacturing methamphetamine. Beaty also claimed that his right to present a defense was violated, and the trial court failed to address the jury's error in relation to double jeopardy. During a stop by a Logan County deputy sheriff, Beaty was found in possession of cocaine, marijuana, and drug paraphernalia. The court found that some of the convictions were affirmed, but others were reversed due to the violation of the defendant's right to present a defense. The court held that Beaty's conviction for possession of methamphetamine required a new trial due to the absence of a distinguishing proviso in the jury instruction, which violated double jeopardy rights. The defendant's manifest injustice claim was deemed invalid. However, the convictions and sentences for DUI, marijuana trafficking, and drug paraphernalia possession were affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.